straw bottles, filling water from a beautiful stream in Munnar. Thanks. That's the Kurunji, which blooms every 12 years. It's almost, the season is gone, right?
Careful there. Yeah.
It's almost gone.
Yeah.
But this is Prabhu, who's daring to go down and to show it to us. Thank you, Prabhu. So we are at 2,640 meters above sea level at a peak called Meesapulimalai or Meesapulimalai. Now I want to thank first of all David for coming all the way from South Africa and doing this with me.
Thank you.
Neither did I have any idea, nor did David have any idea what we are getting into, but I think it was pristine, and it was absolutely, it was worth it. Thank you, David. Thank you, Fazil. You want to say something?
It's the second tallest peak in South India. The highest is Anemudi, which is 2,695.
And this is
we are only 55 meters below the highest peak.
Thank you, Fazil.
Yeah.
Hey, Prabhu, you want to say something?
It feels like heaven. That's all.
And you do it every day almost, right? Really, you've been an inspiration. Thank you.
Thank you.
It was lovely. And I can't imagine that that's where we came from.